That's a lot, right? Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we're doing beef stroganoff, and we're doing it on a budget. We're doing it with ground beef, right? Guys, it's a lot, not a lot of stuff, but there's a lot of stuff. So we got onion, we got garlic, guys. Everything will be listed below. So let's just get you over to my pan, and we'll get started right away. Guys, our pan is hot. We're gonna go down with a little bit of avocado oil. And then we're going in with our mushrooms, right? Half a pound. Then we're just gonna hit it with some kosher salt. We're gonna hit it with some kosher salt just to bring out the water. All right, let's give this a spin. Guys, and this is gonna start to release a little bit of juices, a little bit of water. And once these brown up, then we're gonna pull them out. So I'll bring you guys back once these get all nice and browned up. All right, guys, as you can see, our mushrooms are considerably shrunk, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, let me show you what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off of here, and I'll bring you guys right back. Go back in with some more avocado oil. And I'm gonna go in with our onions. All right, guys, got a little bit of my brandy, right? That's not going in. That's going in me, guys. All right, guys, our onions are there. Going in with our garlic. That's 3 garlic cloves. Recipe actually calls for 2. But I'm going with how I feel today. I'm just gonna give this a few seconds to bloom. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go in with our 1/4 cup of brandy. So now we're just gonna go ahead and kind of start scraping the bottom of this pan and deglaze this a little. And guys, now I'm going in with our beef. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it kind of chunky, right, like this, right? I'm not taking it all the way down to where it's granular or anything like that. It's gonna be kind of chunky. I'm just gonna cook this until it's not pink anymore. All right, guys, we're there. So we got our beef stock, right, unsalted. 1 and 4 cups. Oh no. Guys, I forgot to do something. I forgot to put the flour in. I did that on my last video. Alright, guys, since I forgot to put our flour in the pan with the onions, I just took this, put a little bit of oil in here, and just cooked the flavor out until it's like the consistency of sand, and now we're going in our pot. And that was 3 tablespoons of flour, guys. All right, so I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. We're gonna cook this for 20 minutes. All right, guys, it's been like 5 minutes. I'm not satisfied with where the beef is. And now we're just gonna go in with our egg noodles, right? Might as well do the whole bag, right? See if we get these covered up. Maybe I shouldn't have used the whole bag, but that's okay. Now, let me cover this up with some more water. I just want to make sure this is covered. All right, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's give this a taste to see where we're at. We need more of everything. So, some more garlic powder, some more salt. I'm gonna say that's about a tablespoon. Some more black pepper. Gotta spin. All right, guys, I gave this like 3 minutes or 4 minutes for additional seasonings that we put in to come together, right, in our sauce here. This is nice and thick, right? Let's see what it looks like. Back of a spoon. It pulls clear. I don't think you could see it on the camera, but it's nice and thick. I'm going to turn this pot off all the way. Let that come down. And I'm going to add our mushrooms. Didn't forget that, right? Probably could have had 1 pound of mushrooms. All right, guys, and now we're going to go in with our sour cream. Start with half of this. The rest in. And that was 1 whole container, 8 ounces. Let's give this a nice taste, see what the sauce tastes like. That works, guys. So let's plate this up. All right, guys, let's plate this baby up. That's a lot, right? Go down with some parsley. That's it, guys. That's dinner. All right, guys, let's give this one a taste. Look at this, guys. Nice and creamy. Look at that. Guys, this works. The total cost, right, for all of this together was about $17. We're gonna have enough for lunch tomorrow, and we're gonna feed three people, maybe 4, and still have some for lunch. Guys, this is delicious. Guys, this is delicious. Guys, like and subscribe, okay? Guys, you gotta try this. It's $16, $17 for dinner, and we'll have leftovers. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes, and let's get cooking.